In this video guide, I will show with you step by step how to create a Tom account. So friends, if you want to create account in this platform, go to Google, search for Atom. This is the keyword. Click on this first website here. You will see this page. Click this profile icon. Click on sign up. When you click on sign up, you will redirect it to this page. From this page, you'll have to create your account. So friends, write all details here, such your first name, your last name, your display name. This is for the public. Your email address. From here, this section, write your password. After that, click agree term and conditions and privacy policy. Click send, type and exclusive offer. This optionals. Click create account. In this case, if you want to sell are a seller, just fill this information here. If you want to use Google, click this icon for Google and complete your account process. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget leave like and share this